Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the plumbing trade. And for this next adventure, we're on a Navien job that I did many years ago, 3 to be exact. I actually put the drip tees in wrong for the Navien unit, so how can I teach the apprentices the wrong way? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I just put a pump in there for the heater. So now I'm going to, on the same job, I'm going to put the tees in correctly and purge the combi boiler and the heat loop itself. So 2 separate purges got to be done on the combo, but the main thing is I'm going to put the tees in correctly. We will see you inside. A couple things I want to straighten out while I was here. I didn't have a relief drop on this. I don't know why. Straighten that out, right? This is for the domestic hot side. So we completed that. And I want to fix this drip tee here. But there's no excuse for me not to have the drip tee incorrectly. I'm going to fix it right now. I can't teach if I'm doing it wrong. So I'm going to fix it right now for the boys. We can't preach if we're preaching the wrong thing. I'm going to take it on the chin and fix this right now. Alright? So let me do this. Let me take out this. And this isn't that hard of a fix. I'll put a 90 here and a nipple. And then put a drip tee outside here. That's all. And you apprentices out there, this is what you do when you make a mistake. You fix it. I don't have to fix it. I want to fix it. So now we're just going to put it like so. Alright, look like up here. The tenant already said the heater's working great. Very quiet. So they're very happy. I'm very happy that it's done. And I want to change this. Get the wrench stuck. Always do. Yeah, oh, there. Alright. Let's see if we can make this tee work right here. Come on, make the turn. Oh, you knew it. Oh. Alright. Oh. Now I'm trying to cheat here. Oh. Let's see if I can make this work now. I gave it a little turn and bang. There it goes. Alright, cool. Don't forget to hold back. Always hold back. One more time around. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This will be the final turn. Now you see I'm cheap. I think that's 14-inch wrenches with me. I can't. Oops, don't hit the heater. Also got 14-inch wrenches. Oh, nice and straight. Bit of a tight corner. We'll make it work. And I'm not changing the flex. That is not happening. Turn the gas back on. Really tight back here. We'll hit it with some leak detector and call that a day. So we changed this over here, so we gotta make sure we have no leaky. And we're good. Let me check this again. Always check your gas, plumbing apprentices. Now, the big thing here, we gotta purge. And when you purge a Navien boiler, you gotta purge the coil, and then on this particular system, it has a split loop, which means the feed goes to the end of the building and comes back in 2 returns. So we have to have purges on both of them, which are right here and right here. 1 and 2. So we got to purge 3 zones here. The coil on the boiler, and each loop, each return loop on the baseboard heat. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll do this first, which I did already, but I just want to show you guys. And on the combi boilers, you have an auto feed on the heat loop, which feeds the heat loop only. And on the boiler, right here, ties in direct, is fed electronically by the boiler. So you're gonna have two separate feeds as per Navien. So right now we're purging the coil, which I already did. I'm just going through the motions, and you shut that, and the water goes up, goes all through the coil, and then comes out the hose. Now it's very quiet. If you had air, it would be making cracking sounds. Or you could put it in a bucket and watch the bubbles, and when the bubbles disappear, you got all the air out. So I'm going to shut this one down because I know I did this one. Alright. And I'm going to hook up to the returns on the baseboard job. So there's one. So you just shut the valve off. It should have drained out, but we have to purge it. And there we go. We're purging it. And of course the hose, hear the water? You'll hear some crackling. And of course we have the hose in a spot where it can't hurt nothing, right? We gotta do this because we drain the heater. That's the only reason we're doing it. If you wanna hurry up, you can hit it with the bypass. And I'm very impatient, so I like to do it a lot. But it sounds really good. You can open this up, go backwards a little bit, and as you hear, there's no air on that side. Now I know why it has that piece of electric there. A little shield for the receptacle. Good idea. So we're going to do this other loop. Shut the valve off. Zinc. Here it comes. See if you hear it. You can hear some crackling. Let me hit it with the bypass again. I love the bypass. It's nice and quiet. Okay. Shut it off. Open everything up. You can open a little reverse action if you want. No need, but I did it anyway. Run the heater. Make sure the loops come back warm. If they come back warm and they're quiet, you know you did your job. Just call for heat. She's running. We don't want no drippy over here. And the heater's nice and quiet, so. It's a wrap. I want to show the apprentices how to purge them heaters. You gotta purge the heat loop, right? Look at this, apprentices, heat loop, and then the boiler is a separate heat loop on that system. Very important, because if you don't purge that coil first, you run that pump, the pump's part of that coil, you will burn that pump out. So very important that you get it purged up correctly. And of course I cleaned up the other work, which is, you know, how can I teach if I don't do it correctly myself. So I went ahead and fixed that stuff. So with that, there goes another satisfied customer again. And we'll see you at the next one. Thank you.